Hello everyone, welcome to Nothing Like Home. Today we will be making a scrumdiddly dish that is called pork pesto pasta. It's a mix of pork shoulder, spaghetti noodles, spinach, and a homemade cream sauce. It's well seasoned. You can use it with chicken or any meat of your choice or even no meat. But please stay tuned. Alright, so first what we want to do is salt the water so that the pasta doesn't stick together. Like I said, this is spaghetti. You can use linguine, fettuccine, whatever pasta you like. Let the pasta boil until it becomes tender. Next we'll put butter into the pan and saute our spinach. That's about 2 tablespoons of butter. For our spinach, we'll be adding a 1/2 cup. Then you'll season up the spinach with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Don't forget about your pasta in the meantime. So then you want to stir up your spinach, put in some wrist work. To break it up a little more, we will be adding in some chicken broth. That'll be about 1/4 cup of the chicken broth. Next, you want to add in 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1/2 cup of 1/2 and 1/2, Next, add in 2 heaping teaspoons of sour cream. Be generous. Then 1.5 tablespoons of cream cheese. Mix it well. With the whisk, I'm just simply breaking up any chunks with some pressure and then stirring it up. A 1/4 teaspoon of that, as well as some chicken rub that they're both from Aldi, both seasonings. A 1/4 teaspoon of both. Creole seasoning salt, just a little bit more flavor to kick up that flavor in the pork. Next, I'll add a cup of Parmesan cheese. And 2 slices of Havarti cheese that are broken up. At this point, it will begin to sizzle. You can turn your heat down some and just let all of the flavors and combine and let the cheese melt. Then we will be adding in our pasta. I will be using a spaghetti spoon to let all of the excess water drip off of the spaghetti and just add it onto the pan. I did not strain it.